There are a few things that you should know about the Shark Vertex with the DuoClean Power Fin brushes. Like, do the brushes actually work well with pet hair? Do they get clogged? Are they going to continue working after they get stuck with pet hair? Well, supposedly these brushes are designed to not get tangled. You know, sometimes whenever you're using a vacuum, the brushes get clogged and everything. So we're going to talk about that, a few other questions that you may have as well, including the weight overall and what happens whenever you actually notice a red light on the vacuum, how to fix that problem. Because sometimes you need to adjust this setting up here to actually change whether you're on carpet, hardwood floors, or thicker carpet and area rug. So we'll talk about that for sure, and a few other things that you should know. Right here, though, is an example of some hair that's on some tile. And so I'll just go ahead and show you what this looks like. I have it set to basically a hardwood floor setting. One thing that's nice about this is how versatile this vacuum actually is. There are so many different ways to actually release different wands, for example, if you want to use the hose and different attachments that come with it. And then you can actually detach this entire hose from right here. If you press that button, now you've got this entire component to vacuum with. So you really get to choose, you know, how you personally want to clean and vacuum. You can even press right here and it will actually lift away the entire unit to carry with you. So this is not just the dust bin. This is actually a unit that you can carry around with you and vacuum in hard to reach places. So that's super nice, and everything just clicks into place. I'm doing this with one hand. It just clicks right into place. Now it's locked in and ready to go. Now, one thing that I mentioned earlier were the brushes. This is one of the main reasons that my wife and I decided to get this vacuum, is because these brushes do not collect any sort of hair. They self-detangle. I think this comb has something to do with that, but it will not get clogged with pet hair. We've got 2 cats, 2 dogs, and we also have a lot of hair ourselves. So needless to say, this picks up quite a bit of hair and dirt and dust, and these brushes are still extremely clean. They never have gotten tangled once. Like, gone are the days where I have to actually take the brushes out and clean the brushes and cut through the hair that's all tangled and stuff like that. This just absolutely solves that issue for us. We have absolutely loved this vacuum. It has more power than the battery powered vacuums. We've used those like battery powered stick vacuums before, and they just honestly aren't that good. Like, the battery life is really bad. The power on those vacuums just aren't very good. So we decided, you know what, we're gonna get a corded vacuum. We're gonna go with Shark Vertex, and we're gonna get the good brushes here on the bottom of the vacuum. So I hope that this helps you. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.